Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is running dead slow, it's likely due to a failing hard drive. Over time, hard drives can become cluttered or start to fail, causing your device to lag significantly. If left unattended, this could lead to more severe issues, including data loss, and ultimately, a complete system failure. To resolve this issue, you will need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a compatible replacement hard drive. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. To open the laptop safely, place it upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time here to avoid damaging the casing. Inside, locate the hard drive, which should be easily identifiable. It is usually housed in a metal bracket. To extract it, you will need to disconnect any cables attached to it. Gently pull the connector out, don't yank it, as this could damage the motherboard. Next, remove the screws securing the hard drive bracket. Apply a moderate force and be cautious not to strip the screws. Once the bracket is free, you can lift out the hard drive. Replace it with your new hard drive, ensuring it fits snugly in the bracket. Reattach the screws and reconnect any cables you previously disconnected. Be gentle when handling these components to avoid causing any damage. After everything is securely in place, carefully replace the back panel and reinsert the screws. Make sure everything is tightened properly, as loose screws can lead to further issues. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your hard drive and consider updating to a solid-state drive, which offers better performance and reliability. Regular maintenance and data management can help keep your device running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.